This month, it's all about you. It's time to focus inward, button up your life, and give yourself the care you deserve. Whether you're taking quiet time for yourself or starting new self-care habits, August is a time to reset, refocus, and revive. Welcome back! It's August. Your legs must be tired, mine are dead. This 75-mile challenge has been very taxing on my body. I thought I was gonna lose weight. I actually didn't, because every time I ran 5 miles, I crushed a pizza. And then I had a drink. Thank you for everyone who participated. Scottsdale, San Diego, a ton of people in LA, Napa, San Francisco, people from all over the country. Running 75 miles is no small feat, so I appreciate every single one of you. August is a really great transitional month to get ourselves back on focus, back on the grind. By the end of this month, summer is over, gotta get back to work, and some of our younger members probably going back to school, or maybe even starting your first job. So it's really important to button up your life, pun intended, because this month we're sending you button-up shirts and twill chino pants. So I'm gonna walk you through the package this month. All members will be receiving a woven shirt, AKA a button-up, and twill pants, also known as chinos if you don't know the lingo. So I wanted to just preview a few of the shirts that people will be receiving, and I'm about to sneeze. So the first type of woven shirts that people will be receiving will be a textured gingham like the one I'm wearing, which is a transitional weight, which will be great in the warmer climates and will be great once it turns cooler and you layer it with a jacket. If you're lucky enough to get this shirt, it has a really cool hand feel to it. If you don't get the gingham, you could potentially get a plaid. Plaids have always been our most popular shirts for guys that are looking for something different besides the core color solids. These are 2 colors we've never done before. This burgundy plaid and this gray and white plaid. Great patterns, easy to wear, 100% cotton. If you're lucky enough to get one of these, I think hold on to them and take care of them. Some of my most favorite 5-4 shirts are from like 10 years ago and they're still in perfect condition. These are incredible quality, so hold on to these. Next, we're gonna show you some of the more core styles that have always been popular amongst our members. We're doing Oxfords, we're doing solid color, blue, chambrays, whites, and it's just an incredible way to keep complementing the classic stuff in your wardrobe. Next up, we have the chino pants, or twill pants that some people like to call them. The reason why these pants are special is that they are garment washed. They're extremely soft. These pants have about 1 to 2% stretch, depending on the style. If you gain weight, it stretches a little. If you lose weight, it still fits fine. These can be dressed up, dressed down. You can wear them with a t-shirt. You can wear them with a button-down shirt. They're pretty versatile pants. You can roll them up when you're at the beach and you have a whole different look. Next up, we have all the cool add-to-box options. The first one is actually a brand that we actually don't own. It's a brand called MF. It's our friend's brand skincare concept. And it's a really premium luxury concept. It has soaps, it has lotions, it has a bathroom kit, a shower kit. So we created 2 awesome options that can be used in the bathroom or the shower. We really wanted to partner with this company because we thought it was important that we start showing you how to take care of your skin and make sure you look younger. Because for a guy, looking young is equally as important as it is for a girl. You don't want to be the old guy. So MF, 2 bundles, check it out, it's on the website. We're also offering them 50% off their retail price, so it's incredible value for a first-time buyer of this product. Next up, we have our Grand AC packages. So if you're looking for something a little more performance, a little more athletic, we got it for you, so we created a couple bundles for that. First up, we have a bundle where you get a long sleeve shirt with some of our more popular graphic hits, a beautiful new tank with a contrast hit of the logo, and then our most popular short, which comes with the compression, incredible zipper pockets for hiding your keys, your phone, a credit card in the back. My favorite short, this is the exact short I run in every single day, so if you don't have a pair, I highly recommend you get it. This bundle is priced extremely well. It's gonna flash on the screen because I don't know how much it costs. The second GAC bundle is 2 of our most popular tank silhouettes and another pair of our shorts. A really cool silhouette, got a perforated bottom, some free air while you're running, and a hidden pocket in the back. I really like the artwork on it. It's a little more fun, and if you're a flashier guy on the street, this is what you want to wear. Next up, we have the graphic bundle. Every month, we're trying to inject more and more graphics. We got a lot of requests for people that wanted to rep our logos. These are some of my favorites. So first up, one of my favorite tees. We are from Los Angeles. We think it's the greatest city in the world. We think you should come visit if you don't live here. So we want you to come here and dream in LA, because that's what we do here. So we've created 3 incredible graphics to kind of complement it. And then this is the back hit of another great tee we did. I'm a big graphic guy, I've always been, so I love these shirts. And finally, really special, we have this incredible canvas shoe. And members only for $30. It's kind of a no-brainer. These are limited. I would highly recommend jumping on these. It comes with the beautiful New Republic tab that we've been putting on our Chelsea boots recently. And don't forget, your Kurt sneaker is probably destroyed by now because you wear it every single day. We have them back in stock. Check out the site. There's a special member price, so check those out as well. Thank you.